isikolo sibalulekile. Open ngenye into zange ngitshela wona. I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another vlog, and to those who don't know me, my name is Audrey Kozana. On the streets they call me AK, but I'm not for the streets. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and most importantly, please do not skip ads. Oh my goodness, it's so hot. And I don't think I can do this live thing with this blankie on my shoulders, especially under this weather condition. But yes, it's Peto. Just a quick update. I got home Kosana last night from Johannesburg, and currently I'm about to head out to my granny's house eKhethomkhulu kwaQongo kwaMahlangu because we're going to ukhulu yathombisa iqude lendoni. Okay, so make no mistake, ngikhamba nani, and by any means I'm gonna show you guys everything where I can and explain ukuthi kwenzakalani, yabo, because I have all the permission to like vlog. I'm comfortable hilapha, yabo, because one thing about my cousins, my aunts, so yeah, I'm also waiting for my aunt to like come pick me up sehle soke cause kungebhosa. And yeah, that's just it. I just wanted to open up this vlog today, right now, before I forget, because I'm just so excited for this vlog. Like, I can't wait to show you guys. Like, oh my goodness, like all that jazz. I cannot wait to show you. Anyway, I couldn't vlog during the first Qut that I attended last week because we got there so late and it was dark, so I couldn't watch Avendas and Novakita, and I was like, it's pointless to continue with this vlog because it defies the purpose of having a mnyanya vlog going to a Qut and not see Avendazana, like, because we also said I was with Ubongi, Mrs. N managed to see them Bakita, but Bongi and I like missed them, yabo. So we were like so sad, and our content was like so short, and we were like, okay, yabo, sizabona amanye amaqhude because vele isizina khona, you understand? So yeah, so excited for this one. Anyway, let me move my bags outside so that nagafika pipis again, it's easier for me to just grab my stuff and off we go. Cheers, love you lots. I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog.
Baba velomna babelumna yelumba babelumna ubamilo jenga ubamilo jenga ubamilo jenga marangba no fanana marangba no fanana marangba no fanana othandwa mundu wonke othandwa mundu wonke othandwa mundu wonke mina ngihlale nyokane mina ngihlale nyokane mina ngihlale nyokane mara ngihlale moyane mara ngihlale moyane mara ngihlale moyane nayelele mna nayelele mna
Ovuthela la ngempotweni utate ngubani?
Ulebukangwa ngamahlala.
Awuphekeni lapha?
Hawu sivuthisa umrathanyana senzile abantwana balapha.
Umratha lo uyokutshejwa ngani?
Oh inyama yenkomo sizimba.
Alright, awa siyathokoza. Sesisakulinda iplate.
Akavuthwa.
Thank you.
Apana ngwenye nyokane apana ngwenye nyokane ingwenye nyokane nayelele mna nayelele mna marumba babelumna marumba babelumna marumba babelumna marangba nilo jenga marangba nilo jenga kuba no fanana kuba no fanana othandwa mundu wonke othandwa mundu
Akwandeni bosiri, another day of this vlog. Besafike emnyanyeni eniku on. It's Friday today and kuyaphithizela amaveji afikile kuhutshuliwe ekseni. Abomzala bahlubi imbuzi umhlonyani. Siyalungisa nje silungiselela ilanga lakusasa and I just wanted to pass by and just say hi. Ngingaloku ngithulile nithi mara mfazi lo aloka save content and nginginomnyanya yakhe nginitshele. So yeah, we were even fixing my things ivunulo yami because ngiyogida tomorrow if not Sunday morning ngiyokuloshisa abafazi nomramam. So yeah, I'm so excited for that one. That's the part I'm really excited for, don't wanna lie. I've been practicing cause inyawo aluvumi nokuvuma okakuvuka ifandikokoro, but I've been practicing because it's something that I can tell that nangingayazi I'm gonna enjoy doing it. So why not like practice, you understand? Ungathuthi hey mina ngikwazi ndinulise lapho. So that's what we're doing right now. Anyway, I hope you're still enjoying this vlog. Yeah. Good morning, Vasiri. It's day 2, Saturday morning, and yeah, we're up and all dreamt. Sitatele silinda bentazana sisawukongumntwana right now, and yeah, I just wanted to show you my OOTD, but I'll just put in a picture here. This is how I look, and I'm loving the vibe. I hope you're still enjoying this vlog. Cheers.
Siyakubingelela mzukulu, mntwana kamzukulu. Siyathokoza.
Mzukulu. Sizukulwane sesizukulwane. Siyathokoza man. Uyabona namhlanje sikwenzele umnyanya. Umnyanya esiwenza ule sikhulisa ngawo. Ukukhula kwakho mzukulu asithi ukhule udelele, sithi ukhule uhloniphe ngendlela uhlonipha ngakho nje. Ngifuna ukutsho ukuthi man isikolo sibalulekile. Ngifuna ukutsho ukuthi ngaphandle kokufunda awungazoya ndawo. So ngifuna ukuthi man ke siziqhenye ngawe. Ngelinye ilanga ke sizokuthi ungudokotela.
Goodness, ngibambe ilifti njengihleli ngiyekoloyini buza ukuthi why ngikhwelile so that I can upload this reel on TikTok and Facebook because inetwork ibingabambi yabo. So they're coming to Falbank ekhethe mkhulu kuze ama-Stripc. So they're coming to Falbank to get some stuff done. I was like ngiba ukuhamba man kamera ngihlala ngekoloyini just so I can upload a reel. And oh my goodness, I'm loving it. Let me show you. You already know. Hey, Ruby, oh my word, did I show you my OOTD now? I even changed. I was wearing an orange blankie, and I'm wearing a t-shirt, angas aini, and a skate. This traditional skate that I was supposed to wear some time ago. And yeah, I'm wearing a headpiece from last week. Yeah, last week I didn't vlog. I did mention that when I was opening a vlog. And yeah, he uploaded it. And then I sent my Menzi some pictures. Because this one really, they're not so... They're just okay. Maybe it's the blankie that I wasn't feeling. Because I feel like it was a bit big on me, yabo. But they're nice. They're nice. Not bad. Those editayana kancane. So I wanted to send him those pictures. Ngimkhombisa ukuthi lalela. Engibabayo. But anyway, let me not get too much. I hope you're still enjoying this vlog. We're gonna head back because they just came to withdraw money, and that's just it. We're gonna head back.
emnyanyeni and ngikhayela isiphahlo abantu baphuma ngapha nama-chips but ngiyokudla umratha la ngiyakhona so might as well not ruin my appetite. Cheers, love you lots.
kwamahlangu chipethu sikhamba noJohn ufaza kwaMthimunye sikhamba noSteven ufaza kwaMabhena sikhamba noRi ufaza kwaMnguni sikhamba noJana
yeah and then godi ingafundisa abantu that is why sithela ivinika edlabhazene neswigiri nayibona musi ipilo ikhona ukuchisa neanyanisi le ukuthi ingazwakala ubuhlaza nayibona musi awuceda la bese sikotlelo sakho senza so uyasula
ade nangapha wenza ini
kepa islice amazambane
kepela bobani
kepela bentrazana nebantu bekhawo omkhulu
alright
yes
siyathokoza
abasikunengi le OTD simkhulisa wala mina ngibhizi ngechikini la awa ngibethile hle imnandi kangangani
iyabonakala ref ukuthi mnandi
yatofozela
sizayilinde platini
iye
wandeni udadena
hayi udade fry inyama guys fry inyama size emnyanyeni sikhulisa umntwana sikhulisa umntwana guys akhulele phezulu sithokoze
thank you fast track
Happy Sunday. Umnyanya siyawuphetha namhlanje. And just a quick update earlier on si bestartele godgodi but differently this time and sawukulochisa bomma njengabona umnyanya and now we're just chilling and we decided ukuthi asigide man abo ngoba sesichenjile we were wearing dresses the same outfit I was wearing some time ago I think in Jan and yeah. Also, it was beneficial for me, that one, because I have to like do it as often as I can, because this is my way of practicing about being a newbie, sana. But other than that, because I'm really enjoying this thing. If only I wasn't going to enjoy it, I wasn't going to be interested in learning how to do it. So yeah, just wanted to check up on you guys. Important says you my rice, my canana vista, check a kitchen, like those mini interviews like back in the days, really enjoyed doing that. So it's raining. It has been raining since last night. So it's not easy to maneuver around. But I hope you're still enjoying this vlog. Season 1. Anyway, cheers.
Limala ibolekiswana oh Limala ibolekiswana yeah